Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be covering my match against KT1 in the Blizzard's Elite 8 Invitational. Big thank you to Blizzard for inviting me to be a part of this tournament. I'll leave a link down to his channel in the description. Now, before we get into this, I'm assuming that everyone here has seen KT's perspective, since he's a pretty popular YouTuber. Basically, this is pretty much, I'd say, the worst I've ever played in a match for a tournament. Pretty much ever. I don't think I had a single round really where I was happy with how I played. I don't know what it was. I must have just been having an off day, and off days do happen. But if you want to see me pretty much embarrass myself in the best way possible, then I'd stick around for this one, because it's not pretty for my end at all. It's like, sometimes it looks like I'm kind of throwing it away on purpose. I can promise you now I'm not. I didn't do that once, but I just had an awful day today. So to start with, I have a pretty bad draft in comparison. I don't really have a counter to Rintra or Nick necessarily, or if I do use a counter to Rintra, then I don't have one for Man-Thing or Sasquatch. So yeah, this first draft has been complete cheeks, and I like that in a mix of me playing pretty awfully. Doesn't help much. So starting off here with my completely broken Titanium, since, okay, yep, speciality there, throwing heavies into midair. I was trying to get him to hit into me just to build up power while I was unstoppable and indestructible, but clearly he doesn't want to play into it. The plan here is literally just to play around the node with the staggers on the heavy, and whether I can achieve that or not is a complete different story. I'm not doing too bad here, so just get to a special 3 now. I probably shouldn't have done that. Bit of special 2 out, 1 more heavy, get the stagger up. And to my surprise, this actually worked. So big damage off there. Now I'm just waiting the debuffs out so I can bait a special 2. I think I get this just out of time, which is really unfortunate. I should not have risked that at all, because now that's pretty much thrown this one completely away. Like, I had something good going there, and then it all just completely disappeared because I got too greedy. And now he's at 9 charges, so I can't really carry that on any further. I don't know why I tried charging a heavy there. There's something completely wrong with me. Go to dash in and get parried here. You can see here, this is just all going downhill very fast. I get parried again there. Yeah, this is a reoccurring theme with this. And that's the thing as well, this was pretty winnable, I'd say. If I was able to get something going with the staggers on the armor up, who knows, I could have even taken that round. But no, I got too greedy and messed it up. And now I'm pretty much screwed, because I have pretty much no one for Man-Thing. Who he's going to place, yep. And he does have counters to pretty much everyone I've got, so I placed Terex. I thought he'd give him the most problems. So he goes with Thor. And if I do end up winning this round, then I could potentially have the next one in hand, possibly. So I go with Wiccan here. I'll be honest, I don't know why. I probably should have gone with Kingpin, looking back, but at the time I thought Wiccan would be the best option. The only issue is, I suck with Wiccan. So you'll see, I don't really manage this well. At the start, it's going alright, keeping up the spells to keep them paused. And he just went through a special. And for some reason here, I thought it'd be smart to push him to special 3 instead of letting the neutralise fall off and then building it back up. Because that was a complete genius move from me. And now here I am eating a special 3 because of how smart I am and my great decision to push him there instead of being slightly patient. Go for the refresh on the neutralise here. Special 2. And then here, again, I get too greedy, dashing too early, crits me. This is just... this is not going to be fun for me to talk over. So if you hear me sigh a lot, I apologise. But this is going to be painful for me to do. And I get tagged, and there we go. That was easily winnable. He died. If I'd have finished the fight out, I win. But no, I can't be patient. Okay, so cheeky screenshot there for the thumbnail. So the bans I go with are Korg, Thing and Domino, purely because I hate fighting all of them, especially in this meta. And without Tigra, Galen or Hulkling, who he banned, they are all going to be even more problematic than usual. Another thing is, I probably didn't draft too great. At the time, they seemed like reasonable picks, but looking back, maybe I could have done something different. I don't want to dwell on it too much. Everybody makes mistakes, don't they? And everybody has off days. This was definitely the worst off day I've ever had. And this second round draft is looking a little bit better, but it's still not looking amazing. Like, he still can counter pretty much anybody that I've got, and I'm halfway to struggling for him. So to start off with, I think he plays as Rintra. Yeah. Does he? No, he doesn't. He plays as Man-Thing, who I end up using Diablo for. So I thought I would place my Mephisto just to kind of slow him down a bit. Anti-Venom's really good for this, but he's not going to be necessarily fast. I definitely know that I can do this faster than he can, which is why I went for this. So put the Nullify pre-fight on and go for it. Now, again, you'll see I play this extremely poorly. I shouldn't have blocked that to start with. It's not a detrimental mistake, but it will come back to bite me in the arse. Purely because of Mystic Dispersion. So, get hit there, beautiful. Bit special 2. The aim is literally just to keep this, what's it called, the purple thing in the top left, I can't remember what it's called. Keep that up for as long as possible so that I'm nullifying his buffs. Now, I'm blocking specials way too much here. And you'll see I shouldn't have thrown this, because now he's at special 3. And he's just about to die, but he doesn't quite. This does a lot of damage. Hopefully I can get up a bit with adrenaline. I try my best. He goes down, and you'll see here I lose by 200 points. All because I ate a special 3. Yeah. I mean, when it's not your day, it's not your day. I can't even go through what I was thinking when this happened, because it was just ridiculous. And now he has Archangel to counter pretty much anyone else I have left. So I'll try throwing Doom down just to bait him out. I could possibly do whoever he throws down faster. But he throws down Valkyrie, I think, to try and get rid of my Archangel. So I end up using Wiccan here, just because I didn't want to use my Archangel in case I won this round. So that I had an option for Rintra, if that makes sense. It's playing the long game, even if I am in a must-win situation, because even if I win that, there's no chance I win the next round if I do use Wiccan there. Not Wiccan, if I do use Archangel here. So, it's pretty much the same as the Man-Thing fight. Or the plan is, anyway. Whether I pull that off or not is a different story. And you'll see here, it definitely does not go in my favour. I don't know why I did that. And my neutralise falls off. Get it up again. Just in time. Goes for another special 2 here just to pause everything. But this pushes her very close to a special 3, to the point where if I block a single hit, she'll probably be pushed, and also my neutralise is falling off. If I hit her 5 times now to get it back up, I'll get neutralised and she'll have the armour up. And then I block a hit and she gets a special 3. I don't think I've had one fight so far where I haven't eaten a special 3. That's ridiculous. Like, it's difficult for me to go over as well, because it's horrible gameplay. But it's a tournament match, so I'm still uploading it. And I'm not going to be one of those people that doesn't upload things when they lose, just because they think their audience might think less of them. If you guys want to laugh at me, you can laugh at me. If anything, go down in the comments, please, and make fun of me all you want. After this, I definitely deserve it, so if you guys want to go do that, go do it. If anything, it'll probably cheer me up a bit. But yeah, I was more kind of upset that I couldn't actually put up a fight here. As much as I wanted to, like, don't get me wrong, I didn't intentionally throw this because it's KT1. I did try at the time, it's just I wasn't having a good day at all. Like, I'd want to put on as good of a performance for you guys as possible. I know I definitely don't do a good job of that in my war vids, but in Battlegrounds specifically, I want to do everything I can to entertain you guys. Whether it be in a good way or a bad way, and this is definitely a bad way. But, I mean, the good comes with the bad, doesn't it? And it's just unfortunate that it was in this situation that, especially since KT has such a big audience, and he'll easily get a lot of views on his video, regardless of what he uploads. It's just a shame that I couldn't put up a good enough fight in this situation specifically, if that makes sense. Anyway, onto this draft. I placed Doom. I think I was trying to get rid of his Archangel. I made the biggest mistake here by using Coward, because now I don't have a counter Warlock. I should have known that he was going to do this and use somebody else. That probably wasn't as much needed. And that was a massive mistake from me that makes it pretty much, if I don't win this round, then I lose the whole thing. Because, I don't know, I'm a moron, that's why. I mean, you can see in 6 fights, I'm already 11. And this makes it 12 because I clearly can't parry. Yeah, this, even just watching this back is pretty difficult. Just go for some close parries here, try and build up my Furies. I didn't think he'd walk in there, so I eat the tail end of a heavy. Make sure I actually block there so the same doesn't happen again. And this is already going way too slow compared to what Archangel can do. Archangel probably has the fight done already. And I go for a special 3 here, which is probably a big mistake. I was mainly going for damage here, but I didn't take into account his power bar. Pushes him really close to special 3, but luckily he throws special 2 pretty much straight away. I mean, there's not really much I could have done there. I get light intercepted there. This is painful to watch even for me, so I'm sorry if you guys aren't enjoying this, or you probably are just because you've seen me do pretty horribly. And I think I can parry while he's unblockable for some reason. I don't know why I did this. That instantly pushed him to special 3, and this is the 5th fight in a row that I've eaten one. This is... Yeah, and there's nothing I can do there. If I'd have chosen someone else, maybe I could have won, but I don't know. And then KT, being a smart player, he goes and does exactly what the right decision is and places Warlock, since I just used my 1 counter. So I sit here and just kind of take that in a second. It's like, oh, who do I use? And then I place Rintra on defense, hoping that I can potentially get a quick kill with Nimrod. I think the plan here is literally just parry heavy and a special 2 and hope that it finishes him off. If it doesn't, then I'm done for. If it does, then happy days, but it's probably not happening. Especially since he starts with an armor, so when he gets to 2, the power burn will be even more dangerous. I mean, it's taking like 4% every single time because of the degen on top, which is not nice. I just need to pretty much stick to this until I get there, but I'm taking that much unnecessary damage because I had a horrible draft. And if you do have a horrible draft, there's nothing you can do. Like, if you're left in a situation like this, it's an automatic loss. And that's the main reason that I don't like this meta. Yes, maybe I could have drafted better in hindsight, but when you're already 4 to 5 picks in a draft and you don't really have other options, it's difficult to do that. And here I didn't get hit once and I died to power burn damage. And he's going to win this fight. So again, I'm sorry that I couldn't put on a better performance and I got absolutely annihilated. GG's to KT, hope you do well in the next round. I think he's against Fintech. Would have been an interesting rematch for me, but oh well. But I'm going to leave it there for now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care, I'll see you in the next one. Also, last thing, please remember to go and bully me in the comments.